So we have seen arrays, associative arrays, and then arrays functions. Now in this lecture, I'm gonna show you how these arrays works inside. Because in the past couple of movies, I'm keep telling you that in arrays, it assign 0 index to first value, 1 index to second value, and so on. But how it actually work inside arrays and how PHP is more certain about arrays. So in this lecture, I'm gonna show you the inside picture of this concept. So I have this file of simple.php. Now let's change its name to inside job. Now let's save this file of simple.php, save as inside job.php. So now let's add first simple array here, and I'm gonna call it numbers. Now let's give it some numbers. So I have given it some numbers. Let's first see its structure by using print r. We have this file of inside job.php. So we have this array starting from the 0, and at the end we have 999 at the index of what? 6, right? Now simply I'm just going to traverse this array by using pointers. So let's first add HR tag. Now in the new tag of PHP, I'm gonna simply echo our array. So I have to say echo our current number which is going on in our array at the index of starting. Now let's concatenate it with br tag so that we can see it on the next line. So what I'm doing here, I'm just seeing the current number at the first time in our array of numbers. So now let's save this and see it in browser. See, now we have our first number. So if I want to go to the next index of with the value of 25, I just have to use the next pointer. And for using next pointer, it's very simple. I just have to say next, and then I just have to pass our array name, and in this case it's numbers. So now I'm moving forward toward the next index. So I have made it to the next index. Now for seeing it, I just have to echo this one again by using the current number. So on line 15, I'm moving my pointer to the next member of this array. So I moved it from 8 to 25, and on line 16 I'm just echoing this out, this new number of our array, and that is 25. Now before seeing it in browser, now let's make it without quotation because it's a variable of array, it's not a string. Let's save this, see it in browser now, refreshing the page. Now we have 25. So if I have to move to the next member, I just first have to use this line 15 next statement, and then I have to use echo statement. So on the browser, I'm gonna have our next number, and that is 45 at the index of 2. So if I want to move to the index of 168, I can skip this 60 index by using next 2 times. So let's skip this 60 from here. So I just have to use this next pointer, and I'm gonna pass it our numbers, and I don't want to see this 60, so let's next it for one more time. Now let's see what we have in our current numbers. So we will have our current number 168, because we skipped echo statement for 60 number after our 19 line of code. Saving this one out. See, now we have 168. If you want to see the next number, just copy this statement from here, moving the next pointer on line 23, and by using 24th line we're gonna see it in browser. See, now we have 500. So if you want to reset your pointer of array, you can do that easily by using reset pointer. So I'm gonna say reset my pointer for array of numbers. Now our array is reset at the line of 25. So if I echo this one out and see the current number, I'm gonna have first number because we resetted our array on line 25th. Saving this one out. See, now we have our 8th because we reset our array. So if you want to jump at the end of your array, you can do that by using end pointer. Can say show me the end of our array of numbers. Now let's echo this one out, this end. See, now we have 99 here. Now we are at the end of 99 and we know that we don't have anything right after it. So if I add next statement here, so what we are gonna have, pause this video and think about it. I'm giving you 2 seconds. So we are at the end on line 28th echo statement, and after 28th on line 29 we are asking it for next pointer. So in the browser we might not have anything for this echo statement on line 30. So on line 27 we are at the end, and on line 29 we are trying to see what after the end. So after end we will not have anything in our browser because we already traverse our array. So if I refresh this page, see, we don't have anything after 999, although we have wrote one statement for moving our pointer after the end, and it's not possible to see the result after completing traversing of our array. So this is how arrays index work, by using next, current, reset and end pointer.